Okay, so in this video I'm just going to go through some car boot finds and other bits and pieces that I acquired today. Most notably this. It's a Skiptech TI4000 40 channel. Doesn't that look good? But what's special about this radio is it is new in the box. There's the radio. And the mic and everything's in the bottom. And this is literally new in the box from 1982 or whenever it was made. So it's going to stay new in the box. I'm not going to take it out. I'm not going to use it. But that's a complete CB radio. Very cool. Other than radio, my interest also lies in vintage tape recorders, wire recorders, valve stuff. So we have this Sharp portable reel-to-reel machine. Uses 5-inch reels. It needs some work, but it does basically work, but the output's very low. I suspect there's some open capacitors in it, of course. Because that's with the volume pretty much wide open. And there is a mic in the bottom compartment, and I have done some recording just real quick to test it out, and the audio is low. So I'm suspecting open caps. But it's quite interesting. Mechanically, it seems to be alright. It fast forwards, rewinds, runs on 6 D-size batteries or mains. I don't have a mains lead for it, but there we go. And lastly, we have this decrepit thing. It's a Philips Autosonic Disc Jockey, they call it. 3 speed, 78, 45, 33. And this thing basically worked straight off the bat. There's no capacitors anywhere per se. There's the main filter electrolytic, but on the EL84 and no wax capacitors, nothing like that I could see. I think this all disc or yeah, so it just works totally fine. The only thing I had to do, of course, was the original cartridge had turned to goo. So what I did is as you can see, I fitted one of these modern, cheap, China-matic cartridges in. I think I activate. Oh yeah, because when you lift the tone arm, the motor comes on. Now, these cartridges are god-awful. I don't recommend anybody use them to play anything other than 78s. That's not got the appropriate 78 stylus on it, and I will get one, but with a 78, it doesn't sound too bad. If we hit start. Mechanically, I've done nothing to it.
Stupid Cupid, you're a real mean guy. I'd like to clip your wings so you can fly. Stupid Cupid. I'm in love and it's a crying shame. And I know that you're the one to blame. Stupid Cupid. Hey,
it's a really grubby old thing, this, to be honest.
Stupid Cupid, stop picking on me. I can't do my homework and I can't be straight. I need 'em every morning by the 8:30. I'm acting like a lovesick fool.
There you go. I haven't done anything mechanically to it. But there we go. Not a bad day, really, to be honest.